Hey, what's up, Dipa gang? Today I am back with another freaking vlog, but I really just wanted to sit down and talk to you all about what I will be doing this whole month of October. As you all know, we've just entered October like yesterday. Today is currently October 2nd. So I had came up with the decision to, so you guys, it is currently 11:14. I really didn't like change my outfit, so if you see it, you see it, but I just put a jacket on. I'm finna give y'all a rundown real quick, you know. So you guys, so basically I'm here to tell y'all what I got going on this month. You probably already know by the title, but I'm finna just give y'all a little rundown or whatever. So this month I have decided to finally do Vlogtober. Out of all my years that I have been doing YouTube, I've never did Vlogtober. I thought about doing Vlogtober, but I just never really got a chance to. But I will be doing Vlogtober, and I am actually so excited. Basically, if you all don't know what Vlogtober is, so basically what Vlogtober is, basically I will be vlogging every day and dropping a vlog every day. This is October 2nd today. I didn't really get a chance to yesterday because I had like stuff going on and stuff I had to handle, business I had to handle, so I really just didn't want to vlog. And then honestly, I forgot that it was finna be October yesterday, so that's my fault. But I will be vlogging every day and dropping a vlog every day. The only time I may not drop a vlog is if I'm sick or if I have an exam. And I have 3 exams this month coming up. So those days I may not vlog a lot or I may not vlog at all, but I will try my best to vlog those days that I do have an exam. But like I said, I may not be vlogging like a lot because have exam, school is way more important right now. So yes, no offense though, but yes, I will be vlogging. So I'm finna give y'all a little rundown of what I'm gonna do today. Basically what I'm gonna do is I actually have like 2 or 3 assignments that I have due this weekend, but I'm just gonna knock all of them out the park. This is the first one I have to do. I got some nice handwriting, but I'm finna do all of my homework so I can get all of it out the way, finish my little goals list or whatever, and then I gotta get my flu shot today, I believe, and I'm gonna wash my car and like vacuum it. I don't know what else today I'm gonna do. I know I'm probably gonna end up doing something, but I really didn't know if I should do this or not because like my life is like pretty boring. I really don't be having nothing going on, honestly. But you know, for Vlogtober, even if it's boring or not, I'm still gonna vlog it because it's Vlogtober. And I mean, I gotta bring y'all a vlog every day. So I may show y'all me doing some of my homework a little bit. I don't know if y'all gonna like that or not, but like I said, this is a vlog, so yeah, I'm just giving y'all a rundown. Finna get started on that. And yeah, y'all just gonna see. So I just basically gave y'all a rundown of what I'm doing today and stuff like that. Oh, I also have to soak my nails off because tomorrow I'm getting my nails done. And then, oh yeah, then I'm going to remake my wig, so I'm gonna let y'all see that because I made a wig like 3 times and it's not coming out how I want to, but now I have a new technique to do, so y'all gonna see that. So let's get this started. I'm in my car cleaning it out because like it's dirty, like it ain't got a wash since I don't know when. So I was like, why not clean it out today? Like, point out, girl. Like, see this? Gotta get all that, like, cleaned and stuff like that. Cause, like, this is really freaking dirty. So, I got me a wheel cover. So, I think I'm gonna put that on. But I'm gonna finish cleaning this little top part off first and then do it. But it's probably gonna be a time lapse because it's like, why not? So, I'm gonna do the time lapse real quick. So you guys, as you all can see right now, I am in the car with my mama. She at the bank right now, and I'm just waiting for her to get back. Like, look at his skin, like, oh, oh, like, wow. But now, we finna go to the store. I think we going to Bath and Body Works and stuff like that. The other stores, I don't know. I'm just going along. But as y'all seen in the last clip, I was washing the car and trying to vacuum it out, but the person who had the car before me just dirtied it like really all the way up, so it's like real hard to clean. So yeah, you guys, I'm finna go to the store and I'll be back. So you guys, I'm currently back at home. As you can tell, we went to like a bunch of stores. I didn't really film it because, like, if y'all know, I was like, I get anxiety in stores when I'm trying to vlog and, you know, it's a lot of people around, because for some strange reason, the people down here, they like to get super close to you when you in a grocery store, and then they try to sneeze or cough, and then they try to touch you. It has happened to me today, and it has happened to me a lot of times yesterday. Like, a woman just came up to me, touched me, oh babe, y'all, and like that right there, that gives me anxiety real bad, because first of all, I already had corona and I barely survived it, and second of all, the corona is still around, and y'all are going around coughing near people and touching people. Like, y'all really gotta stop that. Like, that is like really, it gives me bad anxiety when people do that. So it's like, it was a little bit more easier to vlog out in public when corona wasn't around. Cause like now it's like I have to be aware of my surroundings, especially down here, because people like to touch you and sneeze and cough around you. Like, they really don't care. Like they're dang on nasty down here. But yes, y'all, that is why I didn't vlog in the stores, cause like I get real bad anxiety, and yeah. But you guys, I'm gonna be back once I get done eating and stuff like that, cause I actually gotta drop this video for y'all, cause like it's Vlogtober, so I have to do it anyway. But you guys, yeah, and I'm probably gonna be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's vlog, if we do go somewhere, I probably will record. Okay, I probably will, and then again, I probably won't, because like I said, people are giving me really bad anxiety. But like I said, I'll be back working on my wig. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I'm finally done eating, and I'm finna show y'all me trying to restart my wig. I'm probably not gonna show the whole process on camera, because like it is gonna take a long time, but I'm probably gonna show y'all some little clips of me doing, like, gluing a wig or whatever, like tomorrow. Cause like it's currently finna be 8 o'clock and I was supposed to edit this vlog and drop this vlog by 8 p.m. and it's currently like 7:50. Damn, I'm trying, y'all. But since we here, like, this is how the wig look. Mind y'all, this is supposed to be a straight freaking wig. And look, you see all these bumps and humps and humps? That's why I didn't want to sew it. I don't know if it's because this type of like wig cap or whatever. But oh well, y'all. Oh well. Y'all, their Korean apple juice is so freaking good, y'all. Like, if you don't know about it, you need to know about it, because their juice is so freaking good. That's the best. That's one of the best cranberry juices that they got out there. But I was gonna just show y'all and cut it right then and there, but I just want to say, y'all, like, I really don't be knowing what to film for y'all or like what to post for y'all or anything like that, because it's like some of my people respond, some of them don't. And like when I have polls on what I should do, what I should drop on my channel and stuff like that, nobody really responds. Like, it'll be a couple of people, but like, okay, I will say this, it is some people that respond, and then again it's some people that don't respond at all. On my story, majority of the time I like to do poll games or, you know, do some type of polls. Now I will say some people do interact, and it's a lot of people that don't interact, and I'm like, that's just really rude. But I mean, I understand, because I be swiping through people's stories too. I do it all the freaking time. But yeah, like, I be wanting to know, like, what should I post? And like, everybody, all of my Dipa gang members do not follow me on IG. Or I wouldn't necessarily say don't follow me, but they probably follow me, but they don't watch my story. So yeah, y'all, I did go outside in my pajamas today. I honestly just didn't feel like changing. I just felt like putting on a big old jacket and some tights, honestly. Shoot, because I mean, why not? I had a kind of busy day anyways. But yeah, and it's like, I just feel like my Instagram people, they don't be messing with me like that, like, but they be watching me. I don't know, I just find it kind of weird, but it is what it is though. But yeah, like, I don't be knowing what to post for y'all or anything. Like, this week I was gonna upload probably 4 videos, including this one, but like, I just didn't know. I think my last upload was the Kool-Aid pickle, not Kool-Aid pickle, the freaking cotton candy pickle one, and hopefully that one did good. I believe it did do good, because a lot of people really wanted to see that, and a lot of people actually voted on that. Well, they voted to see it, you know, and voted for me to actually do it like a couple weeks back, and I finally brought it to life. But I be feeling like I be wasting my time on half of my videos, because it's like people just don't really watch it like that. I wouldn't say people don't watch me, because it is people that do watch me, and I appreciate everybody who watch me, if they're a part of the Dipa gang members or if they're not a part of the Dipa gang members. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm talking too fast or I sound like I'm out of breath. I really am out of breath. I didn't even exercise like my doctor told me today, so that's why I'm out of breath. But yeah, y'all, and it be like hard. I wouldn't say it's hard, but like, I be wanting my content to be interesting through the whole video. Like, I don't want it to be excited at the beginning or excited in the middle or excited at the end. I be wanting to be excited all around, so people like will literally watch the whole video and enjoy it, and I get bored with it. Cause see, me, just because I am a YouTuber, it does not mean that I don't watch other YouTubers. And some YouTubers, they catch my attention either at the beginning of the video and then stop, or they'll catch it at the middle of the video and then stop, or they'll catch me at the end of the video and then there we go. Like, I don't want my videos to be like that. I want them to be interesting all through. And it's like, it makes it kind of harder when people don't, you know, actually vote on what they want to see on my channel. Because like, if y'all want it, you know, cause yo, why not? So that's all I'm saying. Like, oh, this one I'm doing, I'm basically cutting the thread off of it, of the track. But yeah, like, I be wanting people to interact. I love when people interact with my channel. I love when people give me a like. I love when people become new Dipa Gang members. I love when people tell me they enjoy my content. And you know, they love my vibe. They like this, they like that. Cause that type of stuff, y'all. Even though I may not show it all the time, I'm very thankful for it. And I really love that. Like, that really be making my day. Like, I may not show it or express it like I do, but yeah, it really do be making my day though. But yeah, y'all let me know down below in the comment section. I know some people probably not, but we gonna give it a try anyways. You know what? I'm the type of person that I will continuously try to do something until people wake up and realize. So I'm not gonna stop saying comment below what you want to see, cause the more that I do that, somebody gonna come along, a couple of people gonna come along and say what they want to see. So yeah, but yeah, I'm not gonna stop. But yeah, Dipa Gang, thank you all so much for tuning in. I will see y'all tomorrow on October the 3rd. And I hope y'all have a great day or a great night. And if you want to see some more Vlogtober vlogs and be a part of this spooky season with me, just hit that subscribe button. And I just want to say this because I always say this at the end of my videos and I can't stop just because it's Vlogtober. Remember to stay positive, be a positive person, think positive, and just be positive, period, okay? But I love y'all, Dipa Gang, and I will see y'all tomorrow.